Hi everyone. Let's go to the 2nd September 2021 data and its figures and what it is telling to us. Now, first check the rising delivery percentage compared to previous day figures in F&O segment on 2nd September 2021. Here you can see the five top stocks. It is IPCA Labs, Tata Consumers, Power Grid, ICICI Pro Life and Astral. But I noticed that IPCA Labs and Tata Consumer figures showing here are wrong. Power Grid, ICICI Pro Life, and Astral are indicating the correct figures in terms of percentage delivery. Last video on 1st September 2021. Here we have seen Power Grid, TCS, Infosys, and two other stocks, out of which you can see the top performers are on HDFC Life. HDFC Life and TCS are among the top 5 performers among Nifty 50 stock today. So I am going to expert Power Grid, going to rock for Friday or in the coming Monday or Tuesday, because I have seen 70 plus delivery percentage in the Power Grid today as well as last day, that is 1st September 2021. And when I go and check the Power Grid chart, you can see in the volume profile, it is the price where high delivery of volume has been taken currently and previously. And also the price action, if you check the candlestick, daily time frame candlestick is indicating a bullish candle. So I am going to expert some action and very good move in the Power Grid. So what you can do, you can just go and buy call option at 175 price. Okay. um, okay, let's check the Power Grid for once. But remember, Power Grid is a low liquid stock. The liquidity in this option chain is very low. But when seen here, 1046 contracts for the month September expiry and 2200 contracts on call side for the month September expiry. This ratio indicates put call ratio less than 60. So that is an indication of bearish sign. But what delivery percentage gives us is that high level of delivery is in sign for bullish. So the F&O data is giving a sign of bearish, but the actual physical delivery of contracts giving a bullish sign. And you have to remember one thing, that SEBI has changed the rules. Because change of rules by SEBI, you cannot buy do a strategy called BTST, buy today sell tomorrow. If you are taking a physical delivery, you have to wait till the physical stock are delivered to you in order to sell in the market. So there is a strong delivery yesterday and today. So probably I think on Monday or Tuesday is going to be a big move in the Power Grid. As I said, you see here the call side premium is rising, but the put side premium is falling. So at 175 or 176, mm, let's check here. The highest number of open interest contracts are at 677 at a price of 180 rupees. Okay. Even today change, daily change, addition of 58 contracts here, and it is the last traded price of 2 rupees. Hmm. So I think the lot size is 5333 for power grid. Here you can see the multiples. Yes, the lot size of power grid is 5333. So in order to take position, it's better to go for at the money. So 176.25 strike price. If you want to go, it is 3 rupees 10 paise. So let's check what is the value for taking the position. So we have seen that 5333 is the lot size into 3 rupees 10 paise equal to. So in order to take position in power grid, you need around 16,500 per one lot. Whatever the analysis is given in this video is only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and analysis before taking any positions. Whatever analysis or whatever data how to retrieve I am showing here is just to educate. Okay, and let's go and see here the overbought zone as per RSI indicator Hindustan Unilever, and here you can see I will show you. Indian Energy Exchange, Mindtree, HDFC Life, Bajaj Finance. All these five stocks are in overbought zone except Indian Energy Exchange. Remaining four stocks are high liquid stocks. So take OTM put options, and if you get a trade to short for tomorrow or on Monday or Tuesday, take OTM put options. You should always know how to read chart to take positions. Please don't take blindly any position and lose your hard earned money. Here, if you see in the Indian Energy Exchange, we call it a shooting star. See, this is a bearish candle. So once tomorrow open, we will check the 5 minutes time frame candlesticks, and based on that, we take the entry. You see here for Mindtree, the volume profile shows you here is a good amount of volume has been taken. You see here the candle highest volume comes here. So it's better to wait stock to come here if someone wants to take a long position. If you get an opportunity, you can short Mindtree here. But always remember, if you know how to read the chart in lower time frame, then only take the positions. Even though you take HDFC Life, you see HDFC Life, there is strong volume profile at 667. Now it is at 759. It is at overbought zone as per RSI. And also Bajaj Finance. You can see Bajaj Finance. This is a very good example of shooting star, a trend reversal, or what you can say a bearish candle. But always remember this analysis can go wrong, and Bajaj Finance can shoot up if Nifty shoots up. So anything can change dynamically in the market. Only the people who adapt to dynamic changes will survive in the stock markets. So if you know how to handle your positions, if they go wrong, then only take positions, or else just keep learning. So I will always prefer Bajaj Finance for tomorrow, Monday, or Tuesday to short the market. If I want to short the market, I will never go and short in cash market. I just buy put option, OTMs, and minimize my loss. If market goes wrong against to me and shoot up, my loss will be minimum. What is the minimum loss I can afford? Based on that, I choose my put option strike price OTM and go for the trade. Now let's go to our daily analysis about Nifty and Bank Nifty. See, today it is surprise to everyone as Nifty shoot up 157 points and cross 17,200, because since being expiry everyone thought 17,200 will be a strong resistance, but that's not happened. Even the Max Payne theory suggested 17,100 as expiry. I said last day itself Max Payne theory is just an indicative reference, but it is not a criteria or basis to make decisions. Today, the top contributors in Nifty 50 are TCS, Reliance, HDFC Life, Sri Cements, and Hindustan Unilever, whereas the dragging stocks in Nifty 50 are Mahindra and Mahindra, Bajaj FinService, Bajaj Finance, Divis Labs, and Tata Motors. Now let's check the open interest. For the week expiry 9th September 2021, that is second week in the first half of September, you can see here the smart money is at 17,200 straddle. So let's check what is the premium they are receiving at 17,200. This is a straddle. You can check here Nifty 17,200 and 9th expiry 2nd September date. This is a 3 minutes time frame. Now I change to time 5 minutes time frame. Okay, let's check. In the morning at 9:25, the 17,200 straddle is giving a net premium of, this is a short straddle. Please remember, whenever I discuss straddle, it's always short straddle, not long straddle. Short straddle means we sell both call option and put option. So by selling both call option and put option, we are receiving a premium of 244 rupees in the morning 9:25 a.m. You see, as the day progresses, this straddle ended at 232 rupees. Where it started at 9:25, it is 244. So they are making around some 10 rupees premium profit on this straddle. For many, it looks very small, negligible amount, but for people with large capital, this is going to be a good return. You see, once if Nifty doesn't move up or down and just choppy market comes for tomorrow, by opening on Monday, this premium will come down to 150 rupees. Almost they will get 100 rupees premium. 100 into 50 lot size means 5,000 rupees. They are going to employ 1.2 lakh as capital. So it is a good return for a week. We're getting 5% return approximately. Now let's go and check Bank Nifty. In the Bank Nifty today, the top performer was Kotak Mahindra, followed by HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Indus Bank. Today is the private bank sector's day. All the top leading private sector banks contributed, and the dragging stocks are Bandhan Bank and SBI, the public sector leader. Now let's check the open interest in banking Nifty. Oh, it's interesting in the Bank Nifty 9 September expiry. You see here, Bank Nifty, the smart money is 36,800 straddle. It is surprising. Uh, this spot is 36,831, but the smart people made a straddle of 36,800. Now let's go and check what is the premium it is giving to us. 36,800. Here comes the Bank Nifty 36,800. You can check here in the morning 9:25, short straddle at strike price 36,800. Bank Nifty is giving 758 points. If you check at 1525, it is 705. So the people who have taken a straddle are getting 50 rupees. You know, um, Bank Nifty lot size is 25. So 25 into 50 amounts to 1250. To take one lot, to take one lot of straddle Bank Nifty, we need around 1.7 lakh as capital. So that constitute to 0.73% return per one day. It's a good return. This looks small amount, but when it's get accumulated and seen as compounding, it is very good return. And finally, yes, any more data I missed out? Okay, now let's come to this trendy line data. The Nifty 50 is showing long build up that indicates Nifty is going to rise further and no coming down. Here you can see for the month 30th September month expiry, the highest open interest for call option is at 17,200, followed by 17,500 and 17,000. For the 30th September 2021 month expiry, the highest open interest for put option is at 17,000, 17,200, and 17,100. From this data, we can see that people have taken a 17,000 short straddle for the month September, and they are expecting the Nifty to trade in between 16,500 as lower limit and 17,500 as upper limit. All this data is only for educational purpose, please remember. Now check the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty is showing short covering. Okay. Long build up means as price increases, the open interest starts to rise and increase along with price. Then we call it long build up. Short covering means as price increases, open interest decreases because people who shorted it comes out of their contracts. So this is called short covering. So Bank Nifty is short covering today. Uh, Bank Nifty spot is at 36,831 and the September month future is trading at a premium of 191 rupees. Here you can see the highest open interest for the September month expiry in Bank Nifty is at 37,000 strike price for call option in the first place, and the second place is 38,000 and the third place is 36,500 strike prices. When you come to put option, the highest open interest is for 36,500 in the first place, and second place 36,000, third place 35,500. From this data you can see a straddle of 36,500 for the month. Okay. Mm, that's up for today, and thank you for watching.